Alright, crypto adventurers, buckle up because we've got some potentially seismic news shaking the Pi network. Gold Rush back in the building, live from the Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel. If you're on the hunt for the next big crypto wave, you've docked at the right port. Today, we're diving deep into a massive token unlock coming to Pi network. 1.6 billion tokens to be exact. Will this tidal wave flood the market and sink our dreams? Or could it actually be the current that propels Pi to new heights? Let's get down to brass tacks. We're going to dissect this colossal unlock, explore the potential ripple effects on Pi's value, and see if the community's unique lockup mechanism can act as a sturdy dam against any potential price crash. This is a story with more twists and turns than a DeFi yield farm, so stick with me until the very end. But before we get this Pi party started, make sure you smash that like button like you're minting a rare NFT, subscribe to the channel so you never miss our golden nuggets of crypto insight, and hit that notification bell so you're always the first to know when the crypto skies are rumbling. Let's get into this Pi puzzle. Alright Pi pioneers, let's cut to the chase. HokanaNews.com is reporting that Pi Network is gearing up to unlock approximately 1.6 billion Pi tokens over the next 12 months. That's an average of 143 million tokens hitting the tradable supply every single month. Now let's not beat around the bush. A number that big can definitely raise some eyebrows in the crypto world. The immediate question that pops into everyone's mind, including yours truly, is, what in the blockchain is this going to do to the value of our beloved Pi? And what about its long-term survival in this wild crypto jungle? At first glance, a token release of this magnitude might sound like a red flag the size of Texas. When you flood the market with a ton of new tokens, the basic economic principle of supply and demand suggests that the price could take a hit. According to the on-chain data cited in the article, the current tradable Pi supply is around 1.7 billion. That means this upcoming unlock represents an annual inflation rate of nearly 95%. 95%. That's not peanuts, folks. That kind of inflation could traditionally lead to a significant devaluation of the currency. My initial gut feeling? This could create some serious headwinds for Pi in the short term if not managed correctly. However, hold your horses because Pi Network has a rather intriguing ace up its sleeve, their unique lockup mechanism. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies where unlocked tokens immediately become available for anyone to trade, Pi Network has designed a system where many of us pioneers, the early adopters and believers, are expected to relock our tokens once our previous lockup periods expire. Think of it like a voluntary holding pattern. This relocking action could be absolutely crucial in controlling inflation and maintaining some semblance of market stability. The article suggests that due to this continued commitment from the community to lock up their Pi, the actual inflation rate we witness in the market could potentially drop from that scary 95% down to as low as 10%, or even an incredibly low 1%. That's a monumental difference, folks. If the vast majority of pioneers decide to show their unwavering faith in the future of Pi by locking their newly unlocked tokens, the readily available supply could remain relatively limited. This scarcity could then, in turn, prevent an oversupply-driven price plummet, and might even create upward pressure on the value of Pi over time. It's a fascinating dynamic, almost like a community-driven deflationary force in the making. In my opinion, this lockup system is a stroke of genius. It puts the power in the hands of the community and rewards long-term belief. This situation presents a truly critical juncture for the Pi network's economy. If we, as pioneers, collectively demonstrate strong confidence in Pi's future by locking our tokens, we could essentially create a self-imposed scarcity, potentially driving the value higher over time. Imagine a scenario where the demand for Pi continues to grow, but the readily available supply remains restricted due to widespread lockups. That could be a recipe for some serious price appreciation. On the flip side, if a significant number of pioneers decide to cash out their unlocked Pi, flooding the market with supply, we could definitely see some downward pressure on the price. It's a high-stakes game of crypto chess, and the pioneers are the ones making the moves. Looking at the bigger picture, the Pi network ecosystem is constantly evolving. We're seeing increasing adoption, more and more use cases are popping up, and the community is buzzing with activity. Ultimately, Pi's long-term success will heavily depend on how its economy manages to strike that delicate balance between supply and demand. While token unlocks in other cryptocurrencies often trigger price volatility, we've seen that movie countless times. Pi's model introduces this unique variable, the community-driven lockups. This could be the secret sauce that stabilizes the market and, as the article suggests, might even lead to deflationary effects over time. That's a pretty bold prediction, but with a strong and committed community, anything is possible in the cryptosphere. Furthermore, let's not forget about the upcoming Open Mainnet launch. This is a massive milestone that could open up a whole new world of possibilities for Pi, including potential integrations with other blockchain networks. If Pi becomes more readily usable for real-world transactions and services, the incentive to hold on to Pi rather than sell it will likely increase significantly. Think about being able to use your PI for everyday purchases. That kind of utility would be a game changer, and could definitely fuel demand. Personally, I'm incredibly optimistic about the potential of the Open Mainnet to unlock the true value of Pi. The next 12 months are undoubtedly going to be a defining period for Pi Network. This massive unlock event will be the ultimate test of both the trust of US pioneers and the effectiveness of Pi's economic design. If a significant chunk of the community decides to hold their tokens for the long haul, locking them up and demonstrating their belief in the project, Pi could very well transition into a scarce and highly valuable digital asset. It all boils down to the collective conviction of the Pi community. The ultimate question now rests squarely on our shoulders, fellow pioneers. Will we commit to the long-term vision of Pi Network and relock our tokens to maintain that crucial scarcity? Or will the market be flooded with newly unlocked Pi, potentially leading to price volatility and a bumpy ride? Only time will tell how this unfolds, but one thing is absolutely certain: the way we, the pioneers, handle this token unlock will shape the future of Pi Network for years to come. This is our moment to shine, to show the crypto world the strength and commitment of the Pi community. Alright, Pi enthusiasts, if you're finding this breakdown insightful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel for more in-depth analysis and the latest crypto news. What are your thoughts on this massive token unlock? Are you planning to relock your Pi? Let us know in the comments below. We want to hear your strategies and predictions. Thanks for tuning in to the Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel today. Be sure to check out our other videos for more crypto insights and analysis. Until next time, this is Gold Rush signing off. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep chasing that crypto gold. Disclaimer. Please remember that this is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile, and you could lose money. Always conduct your own thorough research before making any investment decisions.